In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method to Reddit ads. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the billing area in your ads dashboard and securely add a card so your campaigns can run without interruptions. Start by opening your browser and searching for Reddit ads. Look for the official result that takes you to Reddit's advertising portal. It should be the top link and use the official Reddit domain with a secure connection. Click that link to head straight to the ads platform. On the landing page, select Log In. If you already have a Reddit account you use personally, you can sign in with that, or you can create a new account specifically for advertising. Either approach works, but make sure you have access to the email tied to the account, since billing confirmations and receipts will be sent there. Once you're in, click the plus icon or button labeled Create Campaign. Even if you're not launching an ad right this second, this is the quickest path into the Ads Manager where billing lives. If you work across multiple ad accounts, take a second to confirm you're in the correct one. You can usually check or switch accounts from the top area of the dashboard. Now look to the left sidebar. Open the Account section, then choose Billing. This page is where all payment settings are managed. Here, select Add a Credit Card. Reddit typically accepts major credit and debit cards. Just make sure the card supports online advertising and, in some regions, 3D secure verification. Enter your card details carefully, the name exactly as it appears on the card, the full card number, expiration date, security code, and the billing address. The address should match your bank's records to prevent verification errors. If you see a currency displayed, that's tied to your ad account settings and usually can't be changed later, so it's normal that you can't edit it here. When everything looks accurate, click Save. The system may run a small temporary authorization to verify the card. This is standard and typically disappears from your statement shortly. After saving, your card is stored in the account and will be used for future ad charges according to Reddit's billing thresholds and your campaign spend. If the Save button is disabled, double-check required fields and that your country and postal code are correct. If a card is declined, contact your bank to allow online advertising transactions or try a different card that supports this type of purchase. That's it. You searched for Reddit ads, logged in or signed up, opened the Ads Manager, navigated to Account and Billing, added a credit card, and saved it. You're now ready to fund your Reddit campaigns with confidence.